SharePoint, Microsoft's file sharing service, which most people don't know they're already using. It's your company's go-to solution for creating intranet sites, storing files and lists of records. It lives in Microsoft's cloud. Over the years, Microsoft has built many alternative user interfaces for it and gave them different names, like OneDrive for Business, Files tab in Teams, Microsoft Stream, and Microsoft Lists. If you've never heard of SharePoint before, here's every buzzword that you need to know. Document libraries are the home for your files. While you can only have one OneDrive, you can have as many document libraries as you want. They look just like OneDrive, and you can also easily sync the files back to your computer. SharePoint lists behave like databases. You can easily create columns and store records within them, but they have many limitations, so don't confuse them with databases. SharePoint pages make it easy to build internal websites where you can post company news and organize knowledge. The tool for building the pages is actually very good, and it allows you to get a job done quickly. SharePoint sites are the folders that host all your libraries, lists, and pages. You can create a nice site hierarchy to separate each department's contents, and you can easily secure them as you wish. If your company already uses other Microsoft services, you can start using SharePoint right away. Just go to office.com and then find SharePoint in the All Apps section. Congrats, you've just opened a SharePoint site. To see what's inside the site, just click on the cog at the top right corner and select Site Contents. Here's where you can create new document libraries, pages, lists, or new child sites to create the hierarchy. You probably won't have the right permissions to make any changes, so if you want to play around, ask your IT admin to create a new test site for you. Then create a new list by clicking on New and List, give it a name, and voila, you have your very own SharePoint list. This has been SharePoint in 100 seconds. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.